Welcome to the GovCMS Content Administration Training Series. Hi, I'm Ivan from Salsa Digital, and in this video, you'll be given a quick overview of the Rich Text Editor. We'll cover the following 3 topics: how to use the Rich Text Editor that comes in GovCMS. Then you'll learn how to create a link using the link button in the editor. And finally, you'll learn how to embed an image directly into the text editor. The Rich Text Editor on the body field right here is where you'll spend most of your time writing and formatting content. But the body field isn't the only field that uses the editor. If we go and create a content component, so let me go and scroll down, and from the components section, I will click on Add Content. Straight away, you can see that there's an editor in this component as well. The Rich Text Editor is used in a few places in GovCMS other than just the main body field. So it's important to get a good understanding of how to use it. So let me go ahead and just close this component, and let's go back to the main body field. The buttons on the editor toolbar right here are mostly self-explanatory. If you've used any type of word processor, most of these buttons should look familiar. So let's go ahead and paste in some random text. And then using the editor, we can make this word bold. We can also make this word italics, and we can make this word underlined. You can even add different headings. So let me go in and type in the word heading. And then I will select the word. And then from the dropdown, the paragraph format dropdown, we can format this word to be an H2 or an H3. One of the buttons you'll use the most is this link button. So if you select a bit of text and then click on the link button, you will get a pop-up with an autocomplete field. You can link to internal pages by entering its title. So let's start typing disclaimer. And then here you can see that the autocomplete has found the other page with the title of disclaimers. And let's just select it and then click on save. If you need to edit the link, simply double click on it. You can also link off to other websites. You can add a full URL into the autocomplete field. So if we want to link off to govcms.gov.au, we can simply enter in the URL, and then you can see that the system hasn't found a page, and then you have this message saying this URL will be used as is. Simply click on it and then click on save. And now this link will link off over to govcms.gov.au. If you want to remove this link, just place the cursor on the link and then click on this unlink button, and that will simply remove the link. Another thing you'll do a lot in the editor is embedding media assets such as images. You can embed an image by clicking on this E button right here. Let me go ahead and move my cursor so it's in between these 2 paragraphs, and then I will click on this E button. In the default view tab, you can see all of the media assets on your site, and you can filter up the top here by name, media type, and also tags. So let's go ahead and search for all media assets with the word event in the name. To do that, just type in event into the name filter and then click on apply. And this will return all assets with the keyword event in its name. Then if you want to embed an image, simply select it by using this checkbox, scroll to the bottom and click on place. Then from this pop-up, you can add an alternate text. So let me enter in event image. You can align the image and add a caption. Once you've configured everything in here, click on embed. Then if we scroll down, we can see the embedded image. To edit an embedded asset, just double click on it and you will see the embed pop-up window again. Now, currently the image is being displayed at full width, and that is because the display as has embed selected, which is the default. But we can change the size of the displayed image. If we select thumbnail, and then from the image style drop-down, let's select thumbnail 100 by 100. Now, I should mention that on your site, you may have a different set of image styles. It's not uncommon for site builders to create a bunch of custom image styles for a specific website. So make sure you have thumbnail 100 by 100 selected, and then let's also go ahead and align the image to the right. And then click on embed. And now you can see that the image is much smaller and is also aligned to the right. Let's now recap what we covered in this video. We looked at the rich text editor, which is used in a few places. We first looked at how to add basic formatting to text. Then you learned how to add and edit links. And finally, you learned how to embed assets into the editor.